How to make animation with Plotagon Studio. In this video I want to tell you about a useful tool for creating 3D animation, Plotagon Studio. First, let's see a short video that I prepared for you in the Plotagon Studio program.
First question: what affects video search ranking?
This is affected by the following video metadata as a percentage. 1. Video title 50%. 2. Video description 25%. 3. Tags 25%, and of course a thumbnail or video thumbnail.
Second question: what is the most effective way to promote search or related and recommended videos?
The most effective way to promote is through related and featured videos. Search promotion is limited by the number of requests for a particular phrase in a certain period of time. If 1,000 people search for this request per month, then you will not be able to collect more than 1,000 views from the search.
Third question: brief recommendations for optimizing YouTube videos.
Video title from 20 to 70 characters. High-resolution video thumbnail. Reposting to social networks. Adding tags to the video title. Marking comments with hearts. This increases activity. Adding hints to the previous videos. Adding end screensavers. Create a playlist with a description and add your videos there. It is advisable to write the first comment and pin it. This program is available for computers, Plotagon Studio, and mobile devices based on Android and iOS, Plotagon Story. I will show how the program works on a computer, and at the end I will tell you separately about the differences between the mobile version. We go to the official site of the Plotagon Studio application and download the latest version of the program for computers based on Windows or Mac OS. Then we start the installation process. After installation, launch the Plotagon Studio program. We see the login form. If you are using it for the first time, you must click on the Sign Up button to register. We enter your name, email address and password. A letter with a registration confirmation code should be sent to this address. You get the opportunity to use the trial version of Plotagon Studio for 1 month for free. Using the same data, you can enter your personal account of the Plotagon application and pay for a subscription to use it. Subscriptions can be monthly or yearly. There are 3 payment options: for companies, for individuals, and for educational institutions. For personal use, this is a discounted rate. You can use the Plotagon Studio program, and after the trial period, the logo will be superimposed on the video. Launch the Plotagon Studio program and enter your email address and password. You will see a blank screen and 2 buttons. To start creating a new video, you need to click on the Create Video button. Then select one scene from the program library. The scenes are divided into sections. For example, I select the living room scene from the home section. And then we must add our new character to the current scene. One or more. Click on the No Actor button. The character library opens. You can select any from the library or create yours by clicking on the Create Character area. Various options are offered to us in random order. Both male, men, and female, women. You can choose the most suitable one, and then edit it and save it under your own name. What can be edited on the character? 1. Face, face shape and shade. 2. Hairstyle, shape and color of hair. 3. Mustache and beard for men. 4. Eyes, eye color, shape, eyebrows, lips. 5. Glasses, jewelry and various accessories. 6. Upper part of clothing. 7. Lower part of clothing. 8. Shoes. 9. Language for voice acting. Only English is available. 10. Name. 11. Background for the character. The saved character can be edited. We have created and selected a character. Now it is possible to choose his position in the scene. We add the second character. We also set its location. We can add other characters if possible for this scene. Then we proceed to creating a dialogue. Click on the corresponding icon. We select the character for which we will create voice acting. You can choose its initial state. How can you create voice acting? There are several options. Record through a microphone. Download the finished audio file in WAV or MP3 format with a sampling rate of 44,100 Hz. Write the text for the dialogue. Next, we set the voice acting for another character. Then we can continue to create a dialogue or add a new scene where the action will continue.
Привет. Меня зовут Максим.
We can see what we got by clicking on the play button in the image on the right.
Привет.
Привет. Меня зовут Максим.
Expand the video to full screen.
Привет. Меня зовут Максим.
The finished project is saved automatically. We can always go back to editing it. To get the final video for use on YouTube or elsewhere, you need to render it. To do this, click on the button on the right at the very top, select the Render Video item from the menu. And then select the required video resolution and click on the Render Video button. Additionally, it is possible to automatically add subtitles to the video, to an additional text file or without subtitles. I choose the No Subtitle option. The video creation process begins. Its duration depends on the total duration of the project, the resolution of the final video and the performance of your computer. We set a title for the video. You can save the finished project to your computer if you select another item in the Export Project menu. The saved project can be imported into the Plotagon Studio program. In the place with scenes, characters are also imported, if you did not have them. How can I pay for using the Plotagon Studio program? You can log into the site using your email address and password. Or directly from the program. Go to Settings and then to Subscribe. We are immediately redirected to your personal account on the site. As I said, there are 3 payment options available. I suggest choosing the second option, discounted, for personal use. I choose the option with a monthly payment and then click on the yellow button directly to pay $7. In the next step, you can enter the discount coupon, if you have one, by clicking on the Apply Coupon link. Let's move on to the next step. Here you can optionally specify the name of your organization, as well as choose the option to use the Plotagon Studio software. I choose Other. In the next step, choose your country. I choose the Russian Federation. And then we indicate the data for payment by card. Your name and surname in Latin letters, card number, CVV code, address and postal code. In the next step, we do not specify anything. Now all the entered data are displayed to us. We can edit them in case of an error. And click on the button Pay $7 and subscribe. Then I was redirected to a 404 error page, but the money should be debited from your card. A letter should come to the mail with information about the payment and the date of the next payment. In addition, you will receive another letter with an affiliate link by which you can invite users. And they will receive a 10% discount for 12 months. And you will receive 1 month of free use of the Plotagon Studio program. Now I want to consider the Plotagon Story mobile option. You can install the program from the respective app stores for Android and iOS. You can use it for free, but with restrictions. To gain access to more music, scenes and voices, as well as the ability to remove watermarks from your videos, you either need to subscribe to the service or buy a one-time ticket to permanently unlock the selected content. Subscriptions start at $1 per month and the cheapest ticket costs $10. More expensive subscriptions and tickets include more merchandise. Working with the mobile version is similar to working with Plotagon Studio. The only thing is that you cannot upload your own ready-made audio for the dialogue. Use Plotagon Studio to create quirky animated videos for YouTube and more. Write your questions and suggestions in the comments.